Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. On a previous video I did a drink called a Corpse Revival number 1. So now we're going to do number 2 because it's only fitting. I don't think there's a number 3. Maybe we can invent a number 3, like combine everything. But anywho, let's get to it. First thing first, this is an equals parts cocktail, right? All things are created equal. And we're going to go with some London dry gin. And it's 3/4 of an ounce of everything, right? 3/4 an ounce of London dry gin. 3/4 of an ounce of the Lillet Blanc. Three-fourths of an ounce of an Orange Liqueur of your liking. And last, 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Give it just a little swirl. Add some ice. Got us a coupe glass. If you want to be fancy, you can chill it first, right? Oh, almost forgot. We're going to do an absinthe rinse, but instead of rinse, I'm going to spritz because it's better than rinsing, I believe. Give me a couple of little, because if you're going to rinse it, you're going to pour a little bit, swirl it around the glass, and then pour out the excess. So we're going to do just a little rinse. Give me a little spritz. All right, what we have here is a Corpse Reviver number 2. I like sour, and this right here is really good. The lemon, you got a sour in the background. The gin isn't as prevalent as I would think it is, but again, this is equal parts, so not one thing outshines the other. But you get all of it in here. This is a really good drink. I really like the Corpse Reviver number 2. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, share. Till next time, cheers.